drive, what I have here is the Chesty series rifle. This is my favorite rifle. And just like the Bass alone, it comes with the same reliability. But we added a few things extra you're really gonna love. Calm brake. Check that out. Isn't that nice? Match grade barrel. Mid gas lengths. You got this custom work. Uncle Sam has got a children logo. Established in 1776. Nickel boron BCG, the best. You know we need to have it. We have a drop-in adjustable 3 6-pound trigger. It's like butter, baby. Look at that grip. Custom grip. All right. You have a Loki Stock and an ambi charging handle. You got an FVE color, and this is the Chesty Puller Edition. Lowest price in the market. You got to get yours today. Go to UncleSamsGuns.com. Get some. Ura, gotta get yours while it lasts. You've been asking for these forever. Now they're here. Get yours today. Let's rock and roll, baby. Get some, baby. Ura.